Hi everyone, are you looking for a natural way to boost your hair growth, improve your skin, and strengthen your nails? Look no further than our sugar-free Biotin Drink. In this video, we'll dive into why Biotin is a game changer for your beauty routine and show you how to make a delicious Biotin drink at home. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in the health of your hair, skin, and nails. It helps your body convert food into energy and is known for its ability to support the growth and strength of hair and nails. Regular intake of biotin can lead to thicker, fuller hair, a reduction in hair fall, and even faster hair growth. But it's not just about hair. Biotin also supports glowing skin and strong, healthy nails. It's like having a beauty powerhouse in a bottle. Many biotin drinks on the market are loaded with sugar, which can counteract the benefits of biotin by causing weight gain and even skin issues. That's why a no-sugar biotin drink is the best choice. It gives you all the benefits without the added calories or potential drawbacks. Now, let's make our own biotin drink at home. Here's what you'll need: 1 water or a base of your choice like coconut water or almond milk. 2. A scoop of biotin powder or a biotin supplement that you can dissolve. 3. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice for that extra vitamin C boost. Optional, add a few drops of liquid stevia if you like a touch of sweetness. Mix everything together, pour it into a glass, and you're ready to enjoy a delicious, refreshing biotin drink that's great for your hair, skin, and nails. Many people have seen incredible results with regular biotin intake. Just take a look at these real-life transformations. Thicker hair, clearer skin, and stronger nails are just a few of the benefits you can experience. Start your journey to healthier hair, skin, and nails today with our no-sugar biotin drink. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and beauty tips. Cheers to a more beautiful you!